Stop letting your truck drag down performance. The best mud flap delete could be secretly costing you speed and style. Most drivers don't realize that hidden dangers hiding under their wheels. Are you one of them? In this video, we reveal the ultimate solution that pros swear by. Don't miss out. Your truck deserves this upgrade. Let's start. Number 5. HB's XQP Mud Flap Delete transforms your Chevy Silverado 1500 2019 to 2024 with precision fit, vehicle-specific protection. Crafted from top-grade polypropylene, it's corrosion-resistant, durable, and built to withstand snow, mud, gravel, ice, and harsh weather. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required, with a complete 4-piece kit and hardware included. This Mudguard Delete enhances your truck's look while safeguarding its surface, offering real value, performance, and reliability. Backed by responsive customer support and a 30-day refund, it's a must-have upgrade for Silverado owners. Number 4. Cold Air Soap Mud Flap Delete transforms your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 with a sleek, no-drill upgrade that protects your truck and elevates its style. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this kit includes 4 mud flap deletes, 16 screws, and a screwdriver for quick installation. The no-punch design prevents mud splashes while safeguarding edges from scratches. Easy to install, fully removable, and built to withstand harsh road conditions, it delivers durability, enhanced appearance, and a cleaner ride, perfect for daily drives or weekend adventures. Number 3. Koitech 4-pack Mud Flap Deletes for Chevy Silverado 2019 to 2024 are a game-changer for truck owners seeking a sleek, clean look without compromising protection. Made from premium ABS material, these mud flap replacements resist fading, withstand all weather, and maintain that fresh, just-washed appearance. Installation is a breeze with included screws and screwdriver. No drilling needed, fully removable. Perfectly designed for front and rear fenders. They enhance durability, simplify maintenance, and boost style, making your Silverado stand out while keeping it safe and road-ready. Number 2. TechPico Mud Flap Delete transforms your Chevy Silverado 1500 2019 to 2026 with a sleek, custom-fit look while delivering real protection. Crafted from durable ABS, it resists fading and harsh road conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is quick, no drilling required, and the design allows effortless removal to restore the original fenders. With included spare screws, you'll never worry about lost parts. Beyond aesthetics, it enhances vehicle safety, durability, and value, giving your Silverado a cleaner, aggressive style while keeping it fully protected. Number 1. Rough Country Mud Flap Delete instantly transforms your Chevy Silverado 1500 with a sleek, aggressive look. Crafted from heavy-duty tri-blend ABS and UV protected for ultimate durability, this kit includes front and rear deletes that bolt on seamlessly, no drilling or modifications needed. Enjoy a precise, vehicle-specific fit that enhances style while maintaining functionality. Quick installation, rugged strength, and a limited lifetime warranty make it a must-have for truck owners seeking bold performance, lasting protection, and an instantly cleaner, streamlined appearance.